How to delete your Google history on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you can delete your Google history on your Android phone. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, deleting your Google history is really simple. This includes all of your browsing history as well as the search history and so on. In order to delete them, first of all, on your Android smartphone, you have to simply go ahead and then open the Google app. So go ahead and then launch the Google app on your smartphone. Once you launch the Google app, what you have to do is on the very top right, you'll be able to see the Google profile photo. All you have to do is simply tap on the Google profile photo. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the option which has search history. Now, if you want to delete your history of the last 15 minutes, you could go ahead and tap on delete last 15 minutes on this page right over here. Or else, if you want to delete all of your search history and so on, you could tap on it and then tap on the button which says search history. As you tap on search history, you'll be able to see a list of various options on this case. Now what you could do is you could see the option which says delete. All you got to do is simply tap on this option which says delete. Now once you tap on delete, you can see the options such as delete today, delete custom range, delete all time, and auto delete. So what you could do is simply tap on delete all time if you want to delete all your Google history on your Android phone. Once you've done that, you can tap on the next button which you see such as all of the searches and so on. You can also choose the activity delete. Once you do that, we'll tap on the next button and then tap on delete, and then once done, you can see it says deletion is successfully complete. And this is how you can delete your Google history on your Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.